Hello everyone, in this video we want to talk about the rank function in the Microsoft Excel. The rank function will set the ranks for the numbers based on their data range. So for example, here I have some students, I have their final scores and I want to rank them. For example, here the person with the 95 scores is my onest student, has a rank 1. The minimum score has the last rank number. So how I can rank them? You need to notice that we have two type of the rank function. We have the rank average and the rank EQ. The rank EQ will set a similar rank for the same scores, but the rank average will set the average of the ranks for the similar scores. So for example, here let's us use the rank EQ. The rank EQ will want you to set the number, which number you want to find its rank. So for example, this one, and what is your data range where we should calculate the rank of this number. It's column B. And what is the order? So right now for students, I want the biggest one, the biggest score, who has the biggest scores, have the rank 1, the smallest number. So I can use 0 number. By this way, I telling the rank function use the descending order and set the value 1 for the biggest score and set the last rank for the smallest score. But if you use number 1, it means that the rank function using the ascending order, which means that it will set the last rank, the biggest rank, for the biggest score number, and set the smallest rank, rank 1, for the smallest score number. So here for student, it's better to use the descending order. If you set the descending order and then double click here, I can see my 95 score, which is the biggest score, has the rank 1. So we can see the smallest one, which is the score 35.38, has the rank 31. But we have 33 students here. So how it goes, for example, let's us sort this table based on the A to Z, and then I can see the first one is the score 92, the second one with the score 87, and the third one is the 83, and the fourth one is the rank 3 as well, because these two are having the same number, but we do not have rank 4. We just jump to the rank 5 because this is the 3-4 people, and the fifth do not have rank 6 as well. We just have rank 5 because these two have the similar number. So we jump to the 7 score for the next one. This is how the rank EQ works. Set the similar rank for the similar scores. But the rank average function will have the similar arguments. We just need to set them just like before, just like the rank EQ, but it will calculate the different rank. It will calculate the average of the ranks. So for example, here we just have one score for 95. One person has the score 95 and we have the rank 1 for both of them, as well as the second person which has the score 87 and has rank 2. But here we have two people with the score 83, and in the rank EQ we see that both earned the rank 3. But in the rank average, it will calculate the average of the rank 3 and rank 4. So it makes the summation between these two and then divide it to the 2, because there is 2 people. So we have rank 3.5. And for the next one, we have to set these as a rank 5 and a 6, but we have two people with the same score, so we make the average. So for example, the best example here is the score 58. We have three people with the same scores in the rank EQ. All of them has the rank 21, but in the rank average, all three has the rank 22. How it goes, how it calculates 22 here, it goes count the number of the students in above them, so it's counts 20, so it should be rank 20, but this one should has rank 21, this should be have rank 22, and this one should have rank 23. So for calculating these three ranks for these three people, the Excel goes and sum these three previous ranks 21, 22, and 23, and then divide this summation to the 3 and calculate the rank 22. So this is how the rank average works. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it's be useful for you, and until next video, goodbye.
In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, RANK.AVG, and if you want to see our products, please visit our website, RANK.co.uk.